In this video, you will find out about what the Design and Engineering Technology Department at American River College is all about. So let's start by answering the question: what is design? In short, design is starting with a concept and finishing up with a real thing. In a nutshell, that's the process of design. Now sometimes it's really straightforward. You can just get there right from the start to the finish, like a straight line. That happens when you are designing things that are well defined and well understood. They have been done over and over again. In these cases, there are standards and there are processes and procedures. It's well known how to make the design work. And so sometimes the design process is very straightforward and you can just do it. But a lot of times the design process looks more like this crazy wiggly line you see here. You never know for sure what to do until you've completed the step that you are on now. This might be because the design is kind of new for you. No matter which way your process works, there are lots of parts that are needed in order to go from the concept to the real thing. These include things like drawings and specifications, calculations, lists of materials, purchase orders, and work orders, making plans for how to make things and test things, and for determining what counts as a good end product. And of course, figuring out how much it will cost is very important. Now, all of this is done so that the form, the fit, and the function of whatever you design meets the needs of the client, and very importantly, is safe for the general public. So, that is a short version of what design is. Now, we'll discuss how design and engineering fit together. In the past, engineers worked on functional specifications about what the design should do, and how it would be used. Things that were hard to figure out and took a lot of calculations. And designers worked with the form and the fit that was needed to fulfill the function, all while keeping true to the design concept. With our current technology, engineering and design have come closer together. Our software can do many of the engineering functions that in the past only engineers could do, and the software enables engineers to more easily do design work too. So now you get what design and engineering technology is. It is the use of CAD software, that stands for computer-aided design, to do both engineering and design functions. And both designers and engineers need to learn to effectively, efficiently, and accurately use the technology that best allows them to create the best design for their client on any given job. In our program, you will find that we focus on 3 of the many jobs, or industries, that utilize CAD. Those are architectural, civil, and mechanical. Mechanical is in 2 parts: component product design, and construction MEP, which is HVAC, electrical, and plumbing. Although we focus on these 3, we also support design technology for interior design, landscape architecture, welding, electronics, construction management, and more. Our program also focuses on the use of Autodesk products, although most of the main software packages on the market are pretty much interchangeable. You will find that our classes include the use of AutoCAD, Revit, and Inventor, along with some of the other widely used packages such as SketchUp, Chief Architect, Fusion 360, and Dynascape. In our program, you will progress through 2D, 3D, and BIM design. Modeling will encompass physical modeling with 3D printing and laser cutting, as well as 3D visualizations using both fixed renderings and realistic simulations. We also utilize VR and AR in some of our classes. So, there you have an introduction to the American River College Design and Engineering Technology program. By completing our full series of courses, you will be qualified for professional work in a wide variety of industries. If you would like to see examples of portfolios of a few of the many successful students from our program, please look for the link in the description below. We hope to see you in our program, and that you enjoy your classes with us.